Coco.
She's so excited. She's in the Halloween spirit. Happy Halloween. Welcome to our Halloween vlog. We are headed out to Barstow for the weekend to go camping with family. Woo! Mm-hmm. So right now we're gonna go head over to Barstow and get some Del Taco for lunch since it's noon now. And we're gonna start heading that way because there's a lot of cars on the road, a lot of trailers.
Yeah, we need to get out there.
Yeah. But it is gonna be a little warm out for October 31st. It's gonna be, I saw it's supposed to be 84, 85 high. So that will be a little too warm, but we're excited to go camping. So without further ado, let's go. Look at this Escort.
So that was I think an SL, Mercedes, geez. Lambo. I think that was a McLaren front, Lambo.
Okay, Escort. Why do they get an Escort?
I don't know. Supercars. Polizia it said. Oh boy. Just because they're literally got clothes. So like what? Some sort of like supercar deal?
Going down now. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, I like the rack, dude.
All-wheel drive makes sense. And then the Supra. Don't get me wrong, that thing will make 1,000 horsepower, but it's a little different.
But a little bit.
And then $350,000 SUV, Urus.
What the heck? They're all going to Vegas.
Oh, here's my favorite sports car.
Toyota? Oh, oh, you're looking at the Toyota. Oh, stupid. Okay, now we just ruined it with the Tesla.
Yeah, ruined. Well,
but yeah, you can see them all the way out there.
And they've got the cops. I wonder, like, why?
I know. Look at. Hello there. You got a box and everything.
Yup.
Made it to Barstow Del Taco, huh, Joe?
Yeah, it was an extra $5, but it was limited edition.
Really?
No.
Oh.
Just joking.
Thought it was a special box or something.
No, it's just, she saw it was just me.
Oh.
She saw the bags and she
said, oh, honey.
Yeah.
I'll help you out.
She goes, you want a box? And I went, yeah.
We made it.
Woo. We're here. We're on a bumpy dirt road. Man, they have not updated the signage in a while. They're all sun bleached. They probably haven't updated them since I've been out here.
Probably can't even read it. I've been, how long has it been since we were out here?
3 years. Yeah, something like that. They closed a lot of it down for rehabilitation, so they decimated, even though it's an OHV, it's an open area, they then closed the open area, which is kind of a bummer. So we'll see what's open and what's not.
We made it. Austin did a great job at unloading the trailer. I had to do a little bit of work, so he unloaded the trailer for us and set us up. Looking good. The only thing is missing is our family.
Oh no.
So much room for activities out here.
Yeah, we do. Excuse me, it's quiet out here.
That one's trying to find some shade because it is quite warm for the last day of October.
The sun's warm, yeah. Normally Halloween's cold.
Yeah.
Not this year.
No. We have Harper Reagan. They made it. Empty campsite no more. Right, all you?
We're not alone.
Thank goodness.
She got me at the wrong moment. My nephew's getting pretty good at these. Watch, with the camera out, he's gonna crumble. Oh. That was pretty good. What do you think, Coco?
We're gonna try this toxic waste. It doesn't look very flattering because it melted, but we're gonna see if I can survive. Oh my. It's already bad.
It's okay. You got this, you got this.
Why is it salty?
I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to be salty.
No.
I don't think she's okay.
It doesn't even taste like whatever the flavor's supposed to be.
Good morning. 7:43 a.m. And tomorrow's daylight savings, so the sun is just barely coming up. Tomorrow this will be 6:43 a.m. This one got me up, and we're out here in like on the north side of Barstow, just hanging out, camping right over there. It's BLM. What's crazy out here is a lot of it is there's a bunch of like old mining where people have at one time tried to, you know, do a mine. Then looks like people camped in here, which I don't know how fun that would be to make a fire down in this. Careful, Coco. Kind of interesting. It's really something wild about the desert out here is anywhere it seems you go, you'll find these like random mines or wannabe mines where someone thought they were going to be gold. What's funny, so my fun fact, let me get up here on the hills, is there's camp. Ooh. See the trail? That's why you don't want to veer off the trail. There's a giant hole in the ground. But let's see, where are we? Right over where my finger is about pointing, roughly, right in this area. Up against those ridge is Calico Ghost Town. That was a silver mine back a couple hundred years ago. So there is silver in these hills. Now it's just off-road riding, shotgun shells from people not cleaning them up, which is lame. And people that don't want to be bothered because there is like private land. So yeah, well, that was my fun fact. The mine, the other mine, and Coco. Alright, Coco, let's keep moving.
Alright, good morning. We are awake. Austin's making breakfast. Ooh, nice.
Bacon sandwich.
BLT without the LT.
Because with the fencing, I don't know what the trails like to go that way. They don't like to go that way. I don't know if we'll end up on the road or what. Woo! Oh, I would have died. Yeah, let's go right. See the pine trees?
Yeah, I do.
What do you think of that homestead? See the pine trees?
I've never seen that.
No, I was thinking the same thing. And look at all the trees out there. Crazy.
This is Tonka Town. They added the big toys. I don't remember that being here. There's a dinosaur in the gas station. That's cute. Little picnic tables and... Oh, it's a surf shop. Oh, look at the stable, I think.
Some of this looks
Yeah, it does.
like that.
This one's legit got shingles.
Oh, dang.
Stuff was destroyed.
I know. Hey, look, at least they have a Millennium Falcon.
Like, you used to be almost able to like play with these toys. They were.
Yeah, it's kind of sad. I guess they just gathered them up all over here.
Yeah.
Tonka
They used to be like everywhere.
All right. So, what do you call this? The
Cabin, I think.
cabin? Oh. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. I'm sorry. I couldn't help it.
Oh man, it actually stays nice and cool.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah. What do you think? What happened? You got in a fight with a bush?
Oh, bushes.
Oh.
Or just a storage. Oh, it's just an empty room.
Yeah.
It would be a 125, but I just think we should skip
Flat
the 125
tire.
and do a 250.
Yeah.
Hello.
We're back making dinner. You want to check this out? Let's see it.
We're making hamburgers.
Ooh.
You know what's funny is I tried to smash them down flat,
Yeah,
and they
they're
still went.
thick. You need to like really flatten them out. But
Yeah.
we are out here. It is day 2, evening of day 2. It is beautiful out here in the desert. There's absolutely, well, there is a campsite,
On the other side of this hill, but
Yeah.
we can't hear them. Nothing.
but then that's it. We haven't seen any campers whatsoever.
None. That's
So
awesome.
it's quite nice. It's real empty here, and
I
you
love
can't.
having the desert to yourself.
Yeah, and then there's our family right there. You see the razor? I think we're like the only razors out here.
That camp next door has like a little 1,000 non-turbo
Ah,
stock cage, but yeah,
man, it's hard to tell, but it is really pretty out here.
it's so nice out. It's gorgeous. It's hot in the middle of the day, but it's so nice out right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot express to you how nice it is out.
And then this one has just had a long day. Oh, she's just so
Being 8 years
tired. My 8-year-old puppy. Do you want a burger? You want to share? Do you want to share a burger with me? Yeah. Don't give me sleepy eyes. You look tired. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy some dinner, build a fire here in a little while, and kind of just enjoy the night. So if we don't see you like we didn't see you last night, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, day 3. It's a hot one today.
Warm.
Very warm. We're gonna go for a ride. Don't know where, but we're gonna go for a ride, and then pack up, and then we're gonna head out.
How is it for you guys in the car, Dusty?
It's
Door's closed now.
Inscription Canyon
That's
or
good.
whatever.
Fall out.
Yeah, it was sticking out. I'm like, that's weird.
Shit, they're still way.
Oh God, Wheelie Dave is back.
Oh, that's right. We know he feels okay. And those are recent drag marks.
Yeah.
On that car. They just did that.
Yeah, but like, who drags something up like that? Oh wow, Allison. The dust that just came out of your hair.
We got a new name for you, Hetty.
What?
Wheelie Wonka.
Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna take a quick in the crease out. Oh, good, the GoPro's on. Oopsies.
It was a nice weekend. It was a little bit warm, but it was nice just being out. We enjoyed ourselves. Now we're just gonna get home, relax, and
Clean up.
Yeah, clean up the dust that is all over us. What?
I might try to wash my truck tonight.
Okay, that's fine.
And hopefully we'll have enough time because this thing's filthy.
I know. But we're probably just gonna end it here. So thanks so much for watching. If you stuck around, do you have anything else to say? Well, I get this dust out of my.
If you made it to here, thank you for watching. If you haven't, go outside, do something fun.
Make an adventure out of whatever you have around you.
Yeah.
But other than that, we will catch you guys on the next adventure. See you later. Bye.